Infinity Ventures has just made a monumental move. Infinity Ventures, a cutting-edge venture capital firm founded by seasoned PayPal veterans, has just closed its second fund, amassing an impressive $184 million. That's right, $184 million ready to fuel innovation and growth in the fintech and commerce sectors. This isn't just any VC firm. Infinity Ventures stands out with their unique operators. It means they're rolling up their sleeves and getting involved in the day-to-day operations of their portfolio companies, providing not just capital but invaluable expertise and guidance. Their hands-on approach has a proven track record of success. Infinity Ventures has already made significant waves in the industry, and they're just getting started. With this new fund, they're poised to support even more early-stage startups, helping them navigate the challenges of growth and scale. So, if you're a fintech or commerce startup looking for a partner who can offer more than just a check, Infinity Ventures might be exactly what you need. Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay innovative, and until next time, keep making those big moves.